And then I'm going to put it in here, deal with this, screwing that on. All right, here's a situation where, this is a deep pipe, it's about a foot, and it's a 1 inch, and so I'm using here a quick fix. And we went over this in class setting. The situation we have here, I don't know if you can see it too good here, but okay, so we had a root there and kind of made the problem. But as you can see, this pipe is a little bit higher than this. So instead of trying to, look, here's how the quick fix goes. See how it goes like this? Okay, instead of trying to push down and get this and do all that kind of stuff, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue. I took it off. I took this part off right here, right? I screwed it off. There you go. See that gasket in there? And I measured the pipe that I need right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this on first. I'm going to glue this on. I'm going to glue this on here. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in here, and then I'll be able to deal with this, screwing that on. Because if I try to, because you have, if I try to put it in there the way it's situated, I'll be fighting it, and your time is limited when you have, glue and stuff. The glue dries pretty quick, so you got to get in there and get out of there. So I'm gonna go for it right now. All right, so we're back here. It's been long enough so I can handle it. And I'm gonna go for it right now. See what I mean? So I'm gonna pull this up, pull it up, bring it in, screw it on there. Just as easy as that. You don't have to fight anything. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a little bit with the channel locks. Grab this here. This side. Hopefully that works there. All right, so we're gonna give it a little more time to dry before I put the water on. Okay, so the pressure's on, it's all good, no problems. There we go. I'm gonna leave it open for, I'm gonna do a follow-up on this, but I just out of precautions, come back here on Wednesday and then put the dirt in there and we're all good.